Did you know that you can use AI to create some crazy realistic text-to-speech from famous actors or musicians or whoever else you want? It's really sick and very simple. In today's video, I'll show you how to use a tool called Uberduck. It is a simple website where all you have to do is put in the prompt, choose the voice, and it generates the text-to-speech with that specific character. You can use actors, musicians, in-game character, whatever you want, and it's very sick. Let me show you how to do it right now. All right, so first thing you need to do is go to the website called Uberduck. It will be linked down in the description below. So you go to this website, you make an account, you simply log in. It's very simple stuff. And then you'll see a lot of these options over here. So you have audio and video. In audio, you have text-to-speech, reference audio, and a bunch of other stuff. You even have AI-generated raps, which is pretty insane. If we go to text-to-speech over here, which is what we're interested in, you can literally choose whatever voice you want. There's so many voices, as you can clearly see right here. There's like, I don't even know, there's like thousands and thousands of voices. So let's choose, for example, Dark Souls voice right here, and then you can choose which voice you want. So like for each game or for each category, you have specific voices. For example, for Dark Souls, you might have only one, as you can, or actually you have three. But for other ones, you have like 5 or 1 or whatever. So you can choose what voice you want, and then we want to say, hello, my name is Agent, and you should sub to this channel. And then you say synthesize, and we wait a second, and it generates the voice, or generates the actual text-to-speech in that specific voice. It's super simple, super fast, and it's actually mind-blowing how real it is. And boom, after like what, 20 seconds or so, the text is done. Let's hear it out.
Hello, my name is Agent, and you should sub to this channel.
All right, sounds pretty good to me. So you can do this for however many voices you want. They do have a free and a premium plan. So if you go to the pricing in the top right, and then you can check right here how it looks like. So you have free forever, 4,000 plus voices, 5 saved audio clips. You can save 5 audio clips forever. Over here in the creator, you have $96 a year. You have 4,000 voices, unlimited saved audio clips, and a bunch of other stuff. So if you do want to get more of these audio clips and you want to use more audio clips and you want to use them in the videos, you will have to subscribe. If you want to use it just for fun and just for the memes, you can use the free version and just meme around. As you can see in the bottom right, it says meme mode, voices cannot be used commercially. So if you want to use them commercially, you will have to sub, sadly. So for example, one more thing we can do is we can choose Portal and then the voice of the announcer, and then just put on the text like, hello there, why don't you sub to Agent? And let's hear it out. Let's see what kind of, voice is gonna be with this Portal version. Let's check it out. And
hello there. Why don't you sub to Agent?
That sounds pretty damn good. So you can save it if you want. You can say audio needs improvement, audio sounds good, whatever you feel like it. You can tweak around it, play around it, and see what you like the most, and then save it and then use it wherever you would like to use it. I've definitely seen a lot of people use these kind of voices for short videos like TikToks or YouTube shorts, where they play a lot of these specific celebrities and then they, kind of roast each other, politicians, whatever, they roast each other. And it's also pretty funny content that a lot of people laugh at, and then, they get a bunch of views and they grow their channels using that way. So that's also one of the ideas how you can use this kind of text-to-speech AI to generate income and just to grow your brand. If you got this far into the video, make sure to drop the like. It's 1 second for you and it means a lot to me. If you haven't already, make sure to check out my ChatGPT video right here. And if you don't already know, I do stream on Twitch 3 days a week. Link is down in the description below. Anyway, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out and have a good one. Bye-bye.